Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling is widely regarded as an excellent HVAC company in San Diego, California. With over 30 years of experience in the industry, they have built a solid reputation for reliability, professionalism, and top-notch service. Homeowners and businesses alike trust Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling for their heating, cooling, and air quality needs. They offer a comprehensive range of services, including installation, maintenance, and repair, delivered by a team of knowledgeable technicians who prioritize customer satisfaction. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling. How do I choose a new HVAC system? Start by assessing your current heating and cooling needs based on the size and layout of your living space. Consider energy efficiency ratings such as SEER for air conditioners and FUA for furnaces, which can impact long-term operational costs. Consult with Straight Shooter to determine the most suitable system that aligns with your budget and comfort preferences. Evaluate additional features like programmable thermostats or air purification systems that can enhance indoor air quality and overall comfort. How to mark up HVAC parts? Marking up HVAC parts involves several considerations for Straight Shooter. Firstly, understanding the cost of the parts themselves, including any shipping or handling fees, is essential. Calculating overhead costs such as labor, insurance, and administrative expenses is crucial for setting a reasonable markup. Considering the market demand and competitive pricing in San Diego helps determine a fair margin that covers both costs and allows for profitability. What is your service area? Our Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling serve the following California locations: Mission Valley, North Park, Bonita, National City, Coronado, La Presa, Santee, Poway, La Mesa, Lemon Grove, San Marcos, Encinitas, La Jolla Village, Miramar, San Diego, California. Where is your Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling office located? We are located at 7710 Balboa Avenue, Suite A31, San Diego, California 92111, United States. Our phone number is 619-658-6759. Visit our website, https://www.bestsanDiegoHVAC.com/Carney-Mesa-AC-installation-repair.